Look! Someone washed up on the beach!
Ew.
Hey! It's A! He's gonna need a heavy-duty bath. Now, let the whirlpool commence. Much better. Hold on to the tube this time. Oh, the humanity! What are we gonna do with you? Well, at least we can fix up those eyes. Your skin's a mess. The best thing we can do is make like a snake and start shedding. Almost done. Let's just fluff you up. Won't someone please think of the bananas? Don't worry, we can rebuild him. A pop tube can replace his middle. Add some snake eyes, and it's S. But we're not done with him just yet. This'll put a smile on your face. Please tell me that's just sunscreen. Oh no! Seagulls! Hide your lunches! No, wait! They want to help! Look! This pen really perks up your art. And we're just getting started. Crank up the heat. These letters are bursting off the page. Wouldn't stick my tongue out around here. You know, I was wondering about that hat. They're cute little electric ducks. And they've even got their own slide. Oh, if only there was a way to tell them apart. But now there is. A letter for each lucky duck. Careful, the tide's about to come in. Maybe we can have fun with all this water. First, draw with a dry erase marker. Add the water and watch what happens. It's like alphabet soup you can't eat. Oh, look, there's a bottle. Open me? Can't see why not. Oh, there's something in here too. It's a letter O. Add some water and watch it grow big and strong. Look at you. You're covered in sand. At least your secret thread stash is clean. With a needle, it can become anything you want. It's E, the last letter in sponge. But there's no need to be so silent. It's also the third letter in clean. Look, it's you! And he's about to lose face. Our friend could use some polka dots. Better yet, let's try the wet look. Let's rethink this. Why don't we try your glasses? These specs will really color your world. Can't get more yummy than gummy. But we've got special plans for these bears. Melt them up inside of this pea mold. When it's ready, peel it out. Few more bites and it'll be an F. Add it to water with some more letters. Of course, every giant drink needs a giant straw.